So here's how you can talk to Claude AI instead of Siri on the iPhone. Let's explain that, but if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. And the way that it works is that obviously you need to have the app downloaded at first, but once you do have it downloaded, you move over to the Siri Shortcuts app, and in there you just want to start a brand new shortcut. From the actions list, you look up the Claude, and there you get either or click the open Claude or ask Claude, right? You pick this option and you can see that this is how it works. You can turn off the show when run option, and now this shortcut you can leave the page. This shortcut can be accessed through the action button, which is on the side of your iPhone. So you can go to your settings as usual, locate the action button setting, and choose it to be something else. So you go to the shortcut, you go to your shortcuts which are created, you choose the Ask Claude, we just set that one up, and now whenever you hold down on the action button, it's going to use the ability to ask something Claude right there, so it just works like that. So yeah, it pretty much just gets the job done for you. Let me know if you managed to do it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, so you will never miss anything important by subscribing. But that's gonna be about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.